Hello everyone, today we will show you our brand new EH15-V2 dashcam, which have a complete upgrade compared to the old one. For example, first, one-click automatic calibration. So you don't have to follow all those instructions and do it manually every time there's a new device. Second, easy remote configuration. In order to make it convenient for customers, we offer an easy remote configuration. Instead of sending commands, you simply just click, type, save, done. As simple as that. Third, further improvement in the AI alarm. With our own AI team, we develop a more powerful algorithm. For the new configuration tool, we use this red cable Type-C to connect with the device and your computer. And from this page, you could capture logs or upgrade new version. So here, you can press this blue button to choose the file you need, and then press this button to start upgrading. So for the remote configuration, we don't need to use this cable anymore. You can press this button, Air Config, and then use PhotoWeb account to log in. Then you could type in the IMEI number. And then it will remotely connect to the online device. Here, all the information. And you could change basic settings, AI settings, video settings, or you could even watch the cameras. One more advantage, new peripherals. We use LoRa to remotely connect to those sensors like fuel sensors, temperature sensors, and so on.
BSJ Tech.